schedule, I'm sleeping actually 1 or 2 hours only in breaks.
Oh, really?
It's been like just like I was relating to this as a story that what doctors are having a hard time now with their duties and they have to be there.
Yeah.
So business has taken a hit. So we are also looking at where is the business now. So I'm scouting a lot of webinars, attending overseas conferences happening. So just to kind of get to know and how things are going to move. Uh, and then we have started so in fact, the buyers as well as exporters, they both are looking at our community right now. I don't know why, but there is a glimpse of only hope that they see that these guys will be. I mean, buyers were saying that okay, these are the people who are down at the ground level, and if we had something to manage, we can go there. As well as exporters are saying, oh, these guys are right here. So
Yeah.
instead of, and we are not getting any information of even our buyers. So if you need to get something as an input, it has to be for them. So that has created so much of importance for our fraternity. You must be also getting your calls from your exporters and things which they are looking at you actually as an individual as well.
Yeah, you're right. You're right, very much right. And I think the only customer right now is in mess is who does not have people here in India. They have been doing it on their own. And of course, the agents make a lot of sense in this business because they are the eyes and ears and nose of the customers. And people who don't have anyone right now, of course, they are in a problem.
Welcome, Bhavna. Welcome, Madhu.
I can't see anyone. Is
Hi
there?
Ritesh, hi everyone. Hi
Hello.
Puneet.
Hi, how are you?
Are you
Good,
not able
good.
to see Bhavna?
No, I don't see anyone. I mean, how do I? I don't know.
Can you see me?
No, not now.
So you
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
do a
I got.
gallery view. Yeah.
I can only see you actually. No one
So
else.
that's a speaker view. That is a speaker view. You change it to a gallery view. On the right hand corner of your laptop,
Oh, okay. Oh, perfect.
you'll see
Thank you.
gallery view.
Hi. I see her
Hi.
now.
So
Okay.
coming back to the situation, what happened is that as soon as the lockdown happened, which right from January 22nd, March 22nd, we created the virtual conference room. Because I've been doing this with my US office, so I had fairly good idea of how these things work. Although I wasn't so accomplished on Zoom meetings and webinars, but I started learning when I was sitting on those things. And in the next 3 weeks, I would say March 22nd to today is April 14th, I think,
Yeah.
almost pretty much more than 3 weeks.
Yeah.
We have had several conversations with the entire community, whether they are people in the jobs, they're coming at 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock is an exclusive meeting between a buying agent, like we four are there, maybe
Yeah.
few more will join. And 12 and 8 p.m. was, so how it works is when I created the meetup page, it was more of a gather the community on a longer scale, but this thing spread like wildfire. I was having 12 people as members on March 22nd, and Bhavana is also one of the volunteers there. Now she can tell you. Today is two. We have 265 people in 3 weeks who are signed up
Yeah,
at Better Together series.
yeah.
Kind of.
It's
They're looking forward to the events. They're waiting it to 5 p.m. to happen or 12 noon to happen, even 8 p.m. to happen. Yesterday we had 35 people.
Now.
We were across sectors.
Mhm.
in last 2 days, 20 people have joined.
Oh,
Yeah.
wonderful. I was one of them.
Yeah, I'm glad. Thank
I
you
did
so
it
much.
this morning and I was like, yes, there are about 260 plus people on this group of ours. I could see them. And
And then I started learning how do you go live on Facebook, because somewhere the content was being created only on my laptop.
okay, all
So
right.
whatever time I'm getting back, and incidentally I'm also joined BNI for
Okay,
consulting business, because somewhere I was also looking at a thing that okay, let's stabilize myself.
sure.
So much of traveling has happened in US. We were doing we still do consulting in US, but on a larger engagement. I said,
Okay.
when we can do a larger engagement, why don't we charge even like we do it in US for an hourly basis? That was something which I never did in India.
Okay.
And as soon as so there were Zoom meetings with them as well with the new chapter, a lot of tooling to be done. But it has taught me, I think, in the next last 3 weeks, I have gained so much of knowledge, I think, which I have not learned in 3 years.
Absolutely. Yeah, there is, see, none of us have seen this kind of a pandemic in our ages.
Yeah.
Nothing, something happened, something like this maybe 100 years ago. You know?
Welcome,
In
Madhu.
our
Sorry.
lifetime, this is the first time.
Yes, absolutely. So this has, of course, changed the mindsets of people, and people even don't know right now what's happening and how it's going to. We're just talking. I mean, I speak to my customers. I've been talking to my customers almost 5-6 hours a day, and they want to work but they don't know. And the most problematic right now is people who have been buying in large volume from China and they were not buying majorly out of India. And suddenly this has to be a shift for them. They're nervous. And of course, as you rightly said, people are looking at us right at this moment in India because uh, they need eyes and nose and ears to trust someone.
Yeah. We
Right.
had a meeting. We had a meeting with Silk Council yesterday. In fact, last couple of days we are receiving calls from various trade bodies, and now we are kind of looking forward to the formal engagement. Okay, let's first come on board. Let's
Yeah.
first understand that how we can together do this as a positive side. So we are going to have few meetings. NIFTA alumni secretary was put up. So a lot of our own people.
Yeah.
Rahul is one of them who's connecting a lot of trade bodies. So he reached out. He's part of NIFTA alumni as a senior member. So he reached out to NIFTA alumni, and there are a strong body of textile designers and all those people who are in our trade. So we
Wonderful.
are now trying to see how we can do, how together we can do this. What's their strength and what's our strength?
Makes sense. I
And
mean,
we are creating a
absolutely.
template. I think pretty much by today, Sandhya would be ready with the template, with the where you
And
can actually the template for arranging the stock positions at factories. So
yeah, it's a good idea.
every trade body will be sending the email. Every trade body should reach out to their factories, and by the time we open up, we should be having some data. Which factory has what things to offer? Maybe
Correct.
a stock, maybe fabric. So if we have that kind of data, then we are going to and we are going to broadcast this. Even the government, just like our minister can appeal for cancelling of order, we would request it to actually appeal to the entire world that okay, guys, we have stocks. There is a website. There is a link. This is the body which you can reach out to get the situation of stocks lying around India at various places. So maybe we can reach out, and some
Fantastic.
factories could be benefited.
It's fantastic. I think one thing more that you can add to this is probably the factories should be ready to sell smaller quantities.
Exactly.
I don't know how
So what we're
feasible and
doing, yeah,
easy will it be for factories to someone has a maybe like 1,000 pieces stock, and if one of the customer wants it only 200, they should be ready to sell 200 because
yeah,
next
definitely.
couple of
I agree
years
with you.
no one's going to buy volume. Nobody has the money.
Yeah.
Ish.
Yeah. Sure.
Nobody has the money.
Yeah, exactly.
Even if
This is a
I'm
2 year
seeing it,
lockdown.
I am seeing it. My millions of things are stuck up right now,
Yeah,
and we are getting mentally prepared now. There is no other thing that we can do. But yes, to be in the race, to be there, you guys. I mean, we don't know anything else. We know this business, so we have to do this business. We're not
yeah.
going back to find something new at this age. So
Madhu, are you
probably
there? Where we yeah. Madhu,
I don't think maybe he lost.
she's regularly coming. So I think
Oh,
she
okay.
just logged in and checked in and
She
finishing
didn't
her
find it
some her
interesting.
trade.
Maybe we were talking. I think.
Well, we have been talking offline as well.
I know. I know. I know. I
So she called
understand.
yesterday.
Why?
We had a half an hour call. She actually is in Toronto right now.
Oh, okay.
She is a footwear expert, ran a factory as well, and as a buying agent. She was traveling to US and then she left for a few meetings in Toronto. She has some family, and she could not book the flight back to India. So she's stuck in Toronto now. Uh, Puneet, you're again muted, so you need to check your audio. How's everything with you, Bhavna?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just a headache today.
Hmm. I have Tuesday now has become a very hectic day for me
Mm.
because initially the Monday evening, the meetings are happening overnight with customers and potential customers. So in fact, I put up Ajay today also 4 o'clock in the webinar. I said you need to listen to what they're saying, because it's kind of you get the feeling of what's happening around the world. 4 to 6:30 I was in a webinar. 7 o'clock was a BNI meeting starting. It finished almost like 10 o'clock. Then I had a couple of important calls, WhatsApps. 11 o'clock onwards, there was an interview. Apparel online guy called us that he wanted to have some input, and
Oh, that's great.
25 to 30 minutes he spent actually on. He asked for 10 minutes, but when I
Mm-hmm.
picked up, I said it's already 11:40, and now we are 12 noon is a broadcast. So
Okay.
it has been hectic. So I slept for an hour. Only now at 2:30, I think. Yeah, Puneet,
Actually,
there
I
is
have.
something wrong with the audio. You need to check your audio settings and testings. Yeah, Bhavana.
I've actually got some, someone is asking for the stock, white formal shirts. We're just trying to find out if anyone has got a stock of white formal shirts. And then some healthcare items people are asking for. Not this regular PPE kit and all that, but otherwise the other stuff like that, it includes even oximeter also.
So I have
So,
Masper as my BNI member in my chapter, and Masper
hmm,
is a very big company, home furnishing. In fact, today he was in the meeting. He was introducing that he is capable of making the cotton mask. He's doing actually, and it's a huge capacity company. They have various offices in US for sales. So I can reach out to him if you want, if you have some requirements to finish.
I will share the list. These are all healthcare, items, not just this PPE kit and all that. I'll share the list of, all those, because these are all very technical terms. So I'm just thinking, if I get a right source, then why not look into this, opportunity? Because this can be a huge opportunity in the coming few years, I think. Healthcare
Bhavna,
items. Yeah.
because one of my friends had wanted some suits like these, so I've arranged for him PPE, suits, masks, and a lot of other stuff. If you can send me the query, I can send you the offers
One
because
of
I
my
already
friend is
gave him the
looking for
offers.
N95 mask.
Yeah, I've got them.
Here it
They've got
is.
them in stock.
Is it in Delhi, India?
Yeah, India.
Okay, then maybe share your number. I'll text you then.
Yeah.
You can
Have my
check
number.
with me.
Just send it to me. I'll forward you all the details of what. Yesterday there was 2 lakhs and of one variety, 40,000 of one and 4,000 of one. So there are
Okay.
different price points.
Okay. Yeah, please do share and just you have my number.
No, I don't. You send me a WhatsApp. I'll send
I
a reply.
I don't have your number, so I'll put it in the
Don't have
chat.
it. I'll give you 1 minute. My number is. I'll give you 1 minute. Chat. Where is the chat gone now? Let me give you on the chat. Okay.
Yeah. Definitely.
Got it? Got it?
Yeah, I'm just checking. Yeah. Okay. This is your India number, right?
Yeah, you can send me WhatsApp here.
Yeah. Sure. I'll do that.
There's no point in changing the WhatsApp number.
Yeah. And
And people in India are calling me on my WhatsApp number, so it's fine.
yes. I will ask her if she needs anything more. If she is also looking for PPE kit and all, then I'll just just check with her
Yeah,
and
I
give
can,
you all.
because today morning only and yesterday also I gave him all the, because there's a friend of mine who's been looking for it, and I've been giving it, putting him to the right people, and he's been buying
Okay.
regularly.
Okay.
I think there is a problem with my something. I don't know what's happening.
But
You're
we can
audible.
now and see you also.
You're audible now.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Always.
Now you're audible. Earlier there was some problem.
All right. I
Where
must
is Lokesh?
need.
What do you do, Puneet? You're not audible now.
Yeah,
You're not audible.
not audible. Can't hear.
Can you now?
Yeah, now.
I don't know what the problem is. I'm not changing anything, but it just, I don't know, it's flipping off the. Madhu, I'm into textiles and hardwares, and we are specializing in infant baby essential apparels and accessories.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have a brand. I have a collaboration with a brand called Bear in Canada,
Okay.
and I have my own office in the U.S. in Atlanta. We have a own office here in India. We are sourcing for all these countries. For Germany, we work for a German customer, and then um, yeah, it's majorly textiles, home furnishings. It's
Okay.
hard goods, furniture, everything.
Oh, wow. That's good.
Great.
So I heard you're into shoes majorly, yeah? Leather.
I'm I'm into footwear since 1993. I've been running a buying house, and I also design ladies footwear, certain lines, not all, a few lines for my US customer. They are
Okay.
big, and then I also have an importing office in Canada. So I had gone for a show in America. I
Okay.
thought I'll come a few days to Canada, but then I couldn't go back. So I'm
All
stuck.
right. All right. A lot of people have been stuck. My daughter is still in Toronto.
Oh,
She was not able to get on the plane.
yeah, it's tough. I don't know when they're going to put the. I don't want to get into the refugee flights and all where they are. Before it was like I was coming by Frankfurt, so Frankfurt, Germany, they were quarantining. I changed it to direct flight, and that same day it got cancelled.
Guys, I'm back, guys.
Good, great. Good to see you.
Okay.
There's some hiccups anyway. So Madhu, you were saying
Somebody's
something about.
background thing is going. You can't hear anything.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, better.
Because I was checking you guys on Facebook Live whether it's working or not.
Okay.
Okay.
It's working fine.
Okay.
Perfect.
So Madhu, you were discussing something with Puneet about some PPE requirements or something like that.
No, not
This is
question.
Bhavna.
to
No,
me
I'm
only.
not.
Bhavna.
It was Bhavna.
Bhavna,
I
okay.
already have it. I've been giving it to a friend of mine. He'd asked me to explore. So my guys had found out, and now he's coordinating with them and getting the stuff.
Yeah, one of my friend
Both
also made
PP
it. So
suits, PP kits, masks, everything, N95, everything.
yeah,
But
okay.
where are you getting from? Because India you can't export them right now.
No, it's not for the. I'm not. They're not for export. It's a friend. My friend in Delhi. He wanted it. So
Okay.
I told one of my guys to search for it. He found it. We found somebody
So
we
I also have a
commonly know.
requirement in Delhi.
Huh?
I
Sorry.
also have requirement in Delhi. Like within Gurgaon, there are a couple of corporate companies. One of my BNI members, she reached out to me that Lokesh, if you have sources, I might be needing a few quantities for my corporate clients.
Yeah, you can ask me, or you can give me the details. I'll have my guy find out and give it to you.
Okay.
Because
If
my
anyone
friend
need
has
it,
already taken a lakh pieces.
okay.
All right. So what is the factory? Can I get the details and what exactly do they have or something like this?
No, it's through somebody. It's not direct to the through somebody. It's somebody, because now there are a lot of people doing it. So it's some guy we don't know too well, but just know him through somebody. So he's
Okay.
arranging everything.
All right. Let me see if there is a requirement and then I'll get back to you.
Sure.
So you guys had introduction. I think Madhu, you had already spoken.
Yes.
Puneet,
Yes, we did.
Bhavana, did you speak? And can we have the
No, I
introduction?
didn't introduce myself, so I will now. So good evening, everyone. I'm Bhavna Singh, and I represent a buying house, Ishan Vyandar Fashions Private Limited, and I'm into the fashion industry since last 30 years, handling product like fashion apparels, accessories, and jewelry, and catering to Middle East market mainly. Thank you.
Great.
Madhu, did you speak?
Yeah, I just told a little bit to Puneet. I was asking him what he does. I'm Madhu Sanan. I run a buying agency named QC International since 1993. We've been working in US, UK, and Europe. And I'm also designing for the US brand, One Line. One particular type of product I designed for them. And I have an importing office in Canada by the name of Incan Importation Services Incorporated.
Yeah, great. Great. All right, great. Lokesh, I can't hear you.
Yeah, sorry about that. Bye.
All right.
So I'm Lokesh Parashar, ADKNE LLC. I'm your international marketing consultant by buying agent, having office in US for consulting a lot of factories from across the world. How do you sell into US market? And with the experience of 26 years now, pretty much have the understanding of global markets. How do you take your product overseas? Any market, I would say. And ever since lockdown happened, we at the Federation made sure that we are staying connected with our community, whether they are exporters or buying agents or buyers. And I'm very proud to say that consistently, ever since March 22nd, this is the probably 66th or 65th meeting now.
Great. Great.
And
Congratulations, I must
the
say that.
impact of this is happening that even I got a call from Apparel Online. They are all see everybody watches you.
Correct.
And they would love to actually applaud when the things are consistent, which is actually in the business as well. You become successful only when you're doing something consistently.
Correct.
And now everybody, the trade bodies are also realizing there is a uh, sweet discussion happening across industries, that there are certain people who are the part of a buying community. They are a buyers council. They have the first hand information as well as some leverage of getting some product moved out of India. And with a situation like this, even I would say one small straw can work for somebody.
I think our community does a lot of, help in turnover of the exports. We we are responsible for a lot of business that happen out of India. We are helping it out, bringing in dollars. I mean, no doubt about it. Are we,
Yeah.
by any chance, are we registered, Lokesh?
Yes, we are a non-for-profit society. We registered with Government of India under the
I didn't know that. Okay.
yeah, it's a registered non-for-profit organization.
Oh,
That
wonderful.
see when you use a federation as a name, it is actually approved by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. It is just cannot you just cannot use any name like this.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
And we did manage to convince the authorities that even we are bigger than an association. So our mission is actually not only India. Our first mission is take all associations over, like Panipat Association or any other association of buying agencies or purchasing. They should be a member of us, and then we reach out to Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Thai, wherever there is sourcing
Yeah.
community is there.
Yeah.
First of all, they should create their own local association, and then they become a member.
Correct.
So that's why we chose a bigger umbrella as federation rather than an association.
Wonderful. Very good. Very good. Okay, just to introduce myself, probably my name is Puneet, and I've been into this industry for almost 25 years now. I started on my own like maybe 11 years ago. Our company name is JYSP Buying Consultants. We are based out of Noida right now, and we are complete sourcing guys, and we are doing all home textiles, hard goods out of India. We also have offices in US and Canada, and we also specialize in baby infant nursery essentials and accessories for Canadian and American market. Thank you.
Yeah. So as per the subject we were talking about, so we are creating the stock list. We are bringing doing small strategic changes in the scenario, and we are also learning with the curve that how do we handle this. So currently we have given the task to the factories to come back in a week's time or maybe 10 days time, individually as well as and your trade bodies or your associations can reach out. So I need to have some suggestions from you that let's say we have collated data now coming up, and it's a huge amount of data which is going to come. It is, we're talking about entire India. So there will be thousands of exporters. They will be streaming, I would say, with emails of the simple template we are sending them. And it's not a simple template. It's very pretty exhaustive template which will detail of exactly what is there with you right now. So how do you see as senior buying agents that once we have this exercise done by probably by next week or 10 days or maybe 2 weeks, what should be the approach and what should be a modus operandi? Just as a strategy, just a war room strategy. I'm just discussing with all four of us.
Sure.
How should we go ahead with this? The approaching
And as I said
buyers?
to you, as I while you were telling me about the data that you're collecting from various factories, I think the point that I asked you to write down, and factories should gear up for selling smaller quantities,
Exactly.
and they should also be
So
geared up.
Bhavna, sorry Puneet, Bhavna, can you make small notes maybe in the chat or on the notepad that in the template we
I'm
should have one checkbox. Are you willing to sell in small quantities?
I mean, they should not be rigid about it, because that is what Indian
Yeah, we
mentality.
just check box. Just check. If you tick right, then probably some of the buyers might be able to come back to you. Oh, this guy wants to sell
Not
small
some,
quantities.
Lokesh, you see how it's going to change the trend.
Yeah,
Even you won't even imagine, like, large customers will ask you this 500
which
pieces.
is true because one of my
exactly.
suppliers did talk about this. He is going to reduce his
You have
unit,
to.
Minimum.
to a very smaller size, and
Yeah,
we'll only look at the smaller units.
I'm pretty much with you, Puneet, in this. Carry on.
Yeah.
And secondly, what I feel here is, even if not from the stock, probably even if you get some, fresh orders, customers won't place large volumes now. They don't have money to pay, and you
Exactly.
and
Everybody
you
wants to get out of the mess.
and you don't want to sell more credit to anyone, even to a new buyer. You will not sell at credit at
Yeah.
first go.
So let me give you the broader picture. I love comparing situations. So when you're going in a street and the street is flooded with water, we have seen many of these streets around the world when we're traveling within India. So what happens is when you're walking on the street, there is a lot of flood. You
Make
start to
your
look
way.
for no, Puneet,
You have
hold
to
on.
make your way.
You start to look for a small opening from where you can actually get through this pass.
Sure, I agree.
Even with the cars, where there is so much of water and you're in the car, your first mind, how does you react? Oh, is there a way where the road is not less like deep enough for me to swallow, or is there a way where so you start looking for exactly your feeling is that if you are right now a buyer is going to buy, he's going to buy with the only with the minimum thing which he needs. He will not going to buy the original thing which they used to do it.
But this comes with a rider. That's the biggest problem.
All right, yeah,
The rider is, everyone would need still the compliances.
Yeah.
And
Compliances is going to be important.
how many factories would get up to actually renew their compliances going forward when they are looking at to sell smaller quantities?
hmm
Correct.
You know, so this
It's
is
a catch-22 situation actually.
it's a hand in hand, and people who have open mindedness and they are ready to accept seeing the situation the world is going through. If anyone who's
You've gone.
yeah. You're gone, Puneet. Yeah, so continuing with what Puneet is saying, compliances, we have already mentioned that in the template.
Hmm.
That what compliances does your factory have, or are they not at all? So we want to go back to the buyer with as comprehensive detail as possible, so that there
Hmm.
is a quick decision happening. So that is something which very important. Sandhya is working on that. Our sheet should be enough for a buyer to make a decision with least amount of questions coming back, because there's no time for getting back on questions and doubts. Of course, there will be something, but as minimum as possible. That's why we are making it a
Hmm.
very comprehensive sheet. Coming to
So
while
can we
while
also
Puneet is
ask?
arranging his short sound, Bhavna and Madhu, what are your intake? Like, how do we do this? Let's say we have collected the data. Even Puneet
Mhm.
said we will be taking a box in the small quantities and compliances. And what's the way around, according to you? How do we do it?
You get the data. Like I remember, Lokesh ji, advised you sometime back that I need the data.
That
I just need the name of the
yeah,
buyer who cancelled it, so that this company which is helping in getting the orders restarted
well,
can help take
that was
most of the
that
stock.
was something very delicate issue. We did not we are not forcing factories to tell the brand name, because then there are a lot of challenges involved when you are actually asking for disclosure of companies who are canceling orders. So we're not going into that part.
But like, how does it matter? I mean, it's the order is cancelled anyway.
I
You
The
don't
have
know.
H&M has cancelled
No,
certain
no,
orders.
still,
You
So
just say
still they
my
have.
$40,000 orders cancelled by H&M. Then you
Madhu,
say Primark has cancelled so
Madhu,
much.
I'm not saying that we're not asking. I'm saying we are not forcing them to tell us.
they
It
have
will
no
help
choice.
them.
Of
It will
course, that's what we said. That is going to help you if I know which merchandise was being sold at what store.
It,
So
it
this is
only
a
gives confidence while you're selling it to any other
yeah,
retailer. Nothing else.
exactly, exactly.
they don't even want you to say that what was the product you sold to them. You just have to say, okay, X company, I had an order of say eighty
Anyway,
thousand
let
dollars
let
that
me
was
come back to
cancelled.
the Madhu. Let me come back to the question again. Once we have this data, we have the brand, who what cancelled, who, what quantity, price. Do you think, according to me, I think uh, even just like we as a federation has all the members, every retailer or every wholesaler and importer, they have their own associations. I am attached to a couple of them in US. So why my idea is basically reaching out to the body. Let's say Retail Federation, I think RFA, Retail Federation of US.
That will not work. That will not work.
Why
You'll
not?
have
Why will
to,
not it work?
because you know what, the retailers association, they have some, I don't think will they can just circulate the thing between
That's
themselves,
exactly what we want.
they,
That by
but
one
the
email,
point
if I
is,
can reach out to the 2,000 retailers who are your members, I
We
can't
can
be
try it
scouting
that
for
way.
2,000 members.
but they may not give you the whole emails of everybody. They'll
No,
say
no,
you
we are not
give it to
asking for
them.
email. Yeah, we are not asking for emails. We are saying we are giving you a template. We are giving you a Google Drive or a template like this,
They circulate it. That's what you're
No,
saying.
and let them circulate it. It's the benefit of their members.
see, the point also is, I don't know how it may be to a certain extent successful, but it may not. But I would say,
What is your idea?
as a FBA body, you could say that we have a stock of, because of the COVID crisis, there are so many products either in semi-finished stage, partly finished stage, pack stage, and this is what they could be given to you at good prices and immediate deliveries, and this can be promoted by FBA in
So
through
we are
certain.
reaching out to the embassies. Definitely, all the embassies will be sent the email. They have trade commissioners and trade ambassadors sitting in every country. So it's very, and our own embassies will be also involved. And in fact, our own embassies will be motivated and pushed by the external affairs and commerce and textile to reach out to as many people. And they all have databases. They already have databases of people who are attached to India in terms of commerce. So that is one second part I would say is coming out of the discussion. That one is an
Is
association level, one is a external affairs ministry level where you have embassies and or trade commissioners are involved. It's just a matter of one email. Anything else?
promotions on the net,
Yeah.
that will get you much more response, according to me. Yes, we do a lot of things
Insta,
side by
Insta पे
side.
बहुत कुछ होता है. Insta पे people sell lot of things.
But
Yeah.
Bhavna,
But
Insta is individual, na?
individual, but yeah.
How will we do individual? There are millions of buyers, yeah, and there are
Yeah,
millions of
millions, yeah.
exporters.
Even on the Facebook also, I've seen lot of exporter importers
So
groups
it
are
is not
there.
possible to re-approach by Insta.
See, that is like more e-commerce business.
That's
Exactly.
Ah,
going.
yeah.
You
No,
create
but
Yeah,
your
FB,
yeah.
I have
platform.
seen some groups are there. There are exporters communities group and importers communities
So
groups
that is
also.
a good point you brought, Puneet. We are also doing, we are attaching ourselves. We'll be reaching to Amazon US as well, and we're reaching to Amazon US has certain conditions. We
Yeah.
might not be able to fulfill them right now, but there is another platform which is a Vancouver-based guy, Mike Madhu and
Mike, yeah.
Bhavna knows, and he is promoting us that there are no compliances as such. The strictest compliances with Amazon needs.
Yeah.
It is, and he's showcasing the product, the portal which he is running on Sunday, 8 p.m. slot. So we are
Okay.
also reaching out that exporters can put, and he has the option of even putting fabric as well, not only a finished product but even fabric.
Okay.
So we are also looking at
Where is he
e-commerce
selling?
portals and
Like,
possibilities
where is he selling? Everywhere in the world or just?
everywhere. So
Everywhere.
his concept is the short form of globalbox.world is he's a Google of e-commerce. So when you put a product on the website, I as a seller, I as a buyer also has an option of putting the search of, okay, I need only the items from Karur.
Okay.
So we'll show you the vendors, only those who are registered from Karur. So
Oh,
it is not like Amazon. It is not like Amazon where you don't know where the item is coming from.
no, but he's showing the product or he's showing the vendor. What is he doing?
Products,
Product.
e-commerce, they are shippable things.
Okay, I thought no. You just said like vendors from Karur, so I was like a little confused. Why
So
is he?
let's say I'm a buyer. I'm a
Yeah,
buyer, and I'm a buyer who buys from textiles from Tirupur or
yeah,
Karur.
yeah.
So I will not go to Amazon, which is a B2C website. So Globalbox also has a B2B option. So if
Okay.
vendor says, we had a pretty much extensive thorough research by Ajay on this, and he's still working on it. Let's say
Okay.
I only want to sell B2B as a furniture factory. I will not give you one dining table. So the vendor has an option to lock the minimum quantity.
Okay.
So if somebody is ordering one piece, he will get as a buyer, he will be getting a message, uh, minimum 10 units needed. So that means this is a wholesale factory which only wants
Interesting.
to sell wholesale.
That is interesting.
And
So
then if I am a seller, I'm a buyer in Delhi, and I want to buy from only Delhi vendor. So you can lock that region. Okay, I need Delhi vendors only.
so in this case, where is the inventory? Actual inventory in India or in
With
Canada
the
or in?
supplier.
It's fulfillment by merchant FBM model actually. He has
Oh,
a, I think he has a direct to factory or
so
something
if
as an
anyone buys from me, I put my products and they buy from me, and
you need to
I will
fulfill the
have to ship
product.
it out.
Yeah, you'll be FedEx is his partner, so
Okay.
you'll be receiving notification. You'll be issued the
So Has
ticket.
he worked out all the pricing,
Yeah,
deliveries, and all
everything.
that?
Yeah,
Okay.
everything is there.
He is a
Okay.
full-fledged portal.
He has
Okay.
around 600 factories already from India.
I would like to explore that opportunity.
You come back on Sunday evening, 8 o'clock.
Okay, I'll do that.
Well, and but before that, you should explore Global Box dot
Global
world.
Box.
Yeah,
Dot world.
yeah,
Okay.
Globalbox dot world.
This Sunday you're saying 19th?
This Sunday.
This 19th को तो लोकेश my this we are जो हम लोग जो एक speaker हमारा है इस पूरे
हाँ, तो
week
we will.
में
If there is a clash, we will change, no?
अच्छा because 19th the slot you have given to me.
हाँ, so we'll put it on
That's why I'm
20th then.
asking.
Maybe
Global Box
clashing is
dot
done.
world, you said, right?
Yeah, globalbox dot world.
Okay, I'll have a look at it. I have a lot of opportunities actually. That's the reason I'm interested to look at it. I have a lot of stuff flying with me.
Yeah. So now we have three options. One is associations. One is trade embassies. One is e-commerce. Fourth is of course our own community.
Also, one thing, yes, I'll come. That is why that was I'm coming to. Also, uh, it there should be also openness even to sell domestically,
Yes, we are also reaching that part.
Yeah,
not
that
just
part
like
we
export.
discussed.
Yeah, we are asking in the template. Are you willing to sell domestic?
I am saying it because recently what happened, I got an opportunity where the customer wanted me to buy on his behalf in India,
Yeah,
consolidate,
I do
because
the same.
he doesn't have to buy like from 10 vendors and pay shipping cost
Yeah,
extra.
yeah. I have a trading company for myself for the same reason.
Yeah, so we already work on that model, and when he said that to me, it make all sense to me. So in that prospects also, I mean, I am ready to buy. I can
Exactly.
buy almost $1 million like now. I have an opportunity.
Of
So
course.
if there is something that available in the market that I can buy, I'm ready to buy.
And
Yeah.
also, Lokechi, you should put up like because we are also showcasing FBA. So you could say to help our exporter community, the FBA is coming out with they have a full comprehensive list of stock of
Yeah, we
materials,
are we are going to do
etc.
that. That's an appeal we are going to prepare.
And
Is
that would, and then
FBA
please
covered?
get in contact with us to get whatever, and we'll put you with the right factory. And that would be so that you're helping COVID
Yeah,
affected
yeah.
businesses. So that
Sorry,
way
yeah.
it will do a multi-purpose job. It will also
Sorry,
promote
Puneet, you have
FBA as
said
a,
something. Yeah.
Now, I was just saying, like, if is FBA covered when they do this kind of such a deal, or
Well, that's a very good question you asked. And
it's
as I told
funding to
you,
run the association? End of the day, you're not doing
well,
it for free.
I can answer that question very confidently.
Yeah.
As a non-for-profit organization, first of all, we are in profits. We are not sustaining. Secondly, we do not have any intention of earning money.
No,
But
no, no. I'm
yes,
not sure.
but yes.
Don't
So
take it
listen,
personally.
listen,
I'm saying
Puneet,
it for
listen to me,
persuasion.
listen to
Yeah.
me, listen to me. Let me finish. But we'll be giving an appeal to the factories and the buyers that if you think that we have added some value in your losses, we could have
Yeah.
reduced your losses, you're most welcome to donations. We can accept donations.
No,
We
you can just
cannot put,
keep a very nominal 1% or 2% on the deal.
we are not going that far.
We will not.
Oh,
Let's not fix.
all right. I
It
mean,
is a help.
we were
Yeah,
just
it is a
it
help.
will be more a
It is a help.
humanitarian job.
Exactly.
okay.
It is a help as of now, but coming back to the commercials, this would be a business model we might explore forever.
All right. Yeah, it makes sense.
Are
Even
you getting? So right
uh,
now we're not charging anything because this is a pandemic. We want to help our community.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. I understand.
You can come
I
back and pay what you want. If you want this federation to work for you, just like we're doing now, it is up to you. How do you? So it is all about giving to the other guy. How do
Yeah.
you help each other? We are going to help you. If you think that we have done something, if you want to do it, most welcome. We're not refusing money,
Yeah, I get it. I get
but we
it.
will not put a condition as such as a commercial. Yes, in the next
you know,
future, maybe a year later on, the system is working well. We'll put it as a commercial.
Correct. I get it.
Yes, Bhavna.
yeah, I was just saying, wanted to say, like, even, we all have our own customer base also, because I think,
Correct.
I'm sure the customer will be looking at,
Yeah.
better, good brands, products at a better price. So we should not hesitate, limit ourselves,
I
and we
would
should
not.
be
I mean,
sharing those,
if
Yeah.
I have the goods in my hand, I will
As
do
of
it.
now, we are
Sure.
yeah.
because
I
they will
will.
probably be like, picking up our products and, because what my conversation I had with my one of my buyer is saying that they have already cut down on their budgets and they will be
Yeah.
looking at the available stocks, for the like quick delivery,
Exactly.
yeah, and better
Exactly.
priced,
Exactly.
garments.
Everybody, Bhavna would need a quick delivery. They don't have goods there to sell. The shelves are empty.
Yeah, yeah,
They don't
and
have inventory.
ecom
They don't have inventories. They will buy,
they don't have
and they
inventory.
would be looking for urgent deliveries the
Absolutely.
moment this thing gets
Yeah,
over.
With lucrative pricing.
Mm. They won't take good full prices anymore. You
They don't
have to
have
give them
money.
at very low prices.
Nobody has the money to pay right now.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. You have it, Puneet.
Oh, yes,
You
I do
just
have.
said it.
Why should I say no? Why should I say
So it
no?
was
No,
a
I have it.
it
I
was
have
a pretty good conversation. We actually forgot the subject. And we
No,
are
we're talking
about,
about sales still.
of
I mean,
course.
we have not.
Are you ready to sell?
are you ready to sell?
I'm ready
So,
to sell. I mean, I'm ready to buy.
well,
No, we are
Puneet,
discussing on a very, our discussion is very apt actually as per
apt at,
the
but I
subject.
would
Yeah.
I would come back to you guys that this is a 5 p.m. slot exclusively for buying agents to benefit. So I will be just taking 5 minutes from you on the subject, which the question I wanted to put to the in the entire 3 weeks of conversation with buying agents. We have noticed there are so much mental barriers our buying agents have created in their minds. How will I generate sales when I cannot travel? There are hundreds of other avenues you can do it. So
Okay, I'm sorry I'm interrupting you.
yeah,
See, don't waste time on unbarreling anybody's barrier. Anybody who has to go forward and make things happen will
well,
do it.
I'm not wasting my time. I'm
And
giving
people will
when
follow.
I've given my time to my community. Is for me, it's not a waste of time.
No,
This
no.
is
So
something
don't
as a
even talk
committed.
about them. If they have a
No,
barrier,
no.
let them
Listen,
have a
Puneet,
barrier.
I differ here. There are certain barriers with people and very experienced people as well. I'm not talking about mature, immature, or young people. Because of the perception, because of the techniques or tradition of doing business, they're not able to move around. They're not so even flexible. So the first thought, which always we have been telling them is, please open your mind, please open your eyes, and look for at least accept the situation that yes, there could be options available. Am I ready to explore those options? That is the catch point, that am I ready to sell? If I'm not ready to sell, if I'm not saying that my perception is without travel I cannot run my business, that means you have locked your mind to opportunities which are available. So these are
Right.
small things which we're helping the community. As of now, we are not doing anything for our benefit, I'm telling you. But
Yeah.
as you said, Puneet, this is business. As I told you, I'm a marketing consultant. I would be charging an hour, $200 an hour for a buying agent to actually tell you this knowledge
Yeah.
post normalcy.
Yeah. Absolutely. You should. Why
So
not?
not now, not right now is
Yeah, of
the only
course.
aim is helping the communities thrive,
Yeah.
and let us together we can move out from here, and then we see what we do. Maybe it's a new business model for me. I'm not denying it.
See, you should have a mental barrier. I have a mental barrier. I would not deny. I mean, my mental barrier is to start anything new right now. I don't want to invest anything on something, I have to explore. Something which is available in the market, it, it's
Mm.
and you're investing on that. Some like you're talking about stocks, buying stocks and selling it, you will be able to buy and sell it. You make money out of it. But if I have
Hmm.
to go and do and something, invent something today, I would not do it. It's not the right time.
Hmm.
So that is a mental barrier I have, but I'm not on a barrier like probably, which I know the model. I've been doing it for 25 years.
So
I don't have a barrier for that.
according to me, this is not a barrier. This is a strategy which you're working on.
Absolutely, absolutely.
That's a strategy.
I have been working on a project. I wanted to launch my own
See,
website,
yeah.
e-com, what I was thinking to do, right? I've been working on it for almost 8, 9 months now. I was
Mhm.
all the verge of, I just stopped. I said,
So
no, just don't.
I'll tell you the fine line between a barrier
Yeah,
and a strategy.
yeah,
Barrier is which you will be for life. You cannot remove it unless you get help. For
right.
example, some people fear lizards. Now that's a mental barrier.
Yeah,
It has nothing to do with a dangerous thing or
sure.
something. But as a strategy, I would not like to be in that room or in that area where lizards are. So that is a strategy I will gain. But they are dangerous. I hate them, or I can not see them, or I feel uncomfortable. That's a barrier. So traveling with business without travel is a barrier. But as a strategy, right now, what you're saying is perfectly makes sense.
Yeah,
You might be able to explore new things later on.
yeah.
So
You
that's a
have
part of
all
strategy.
your life. Yes, yes. And by any ways, you can't travel anymore for next 8, 9 months, even if
Exactly.
you
So,
want to.
like Bhavna would be a perfect example of she broke her barriers in the last 3 weeks, sitting on Zoom. Bhavna, I think you should tell your success story yourself.
Actually, I mean, when this all this lockdown period started, and I was kind of, because that was not the lifestyle, like sitting at home and doing nothing. So I was actually going into depression, and I don't know how to, basically lead a life, So and I'm not very comfortable in from the old days, school kind of a person. So how to conduct a meeting on Zoom, and and what to do basically, how to utilize this time. So become really very much technology friendly now. So now I am on a Twitter and on LinkedIn. I'm very active now in LinkedIn, and like Zoom calls now. I'm connecting people also, to the BTS series. These the Zoom meetings which we are having. So talking to at least minimum 3 to 4 people, reaching out to them and how to get registered, and how to get onto the Zoom call. So these things now I'm very comfortable now doing it. Now you have, in fact, not only the Zoom, I have downloaded many other apps like Google Duo, like Jitsi Meet, and I'm having my other my spiritual meetings also happening on these apps. So now I know, how to add people, how to invite them in the meeting room,
So these are
and conduct.
barriers that you were always
Yes,
very
these were the
uncomfortable doing that.
barriers. Yeah, and it took me time to in fact, like, to go into the Twitter, and like I used to follow otherwise people, but not to really go and comment and retweet. So I mean obviously, Lokesh, you have set an example for all of us. And so I've started, like, like on a daily basis now I go to the LinkedIn and Twitter and all these apps and
And believe me, guys, I'm learning with you as well.
Every
Everybody is learning from everybody. It's a matter of
yeah.
it's like looking in a mirror.
And it's not, it's like, I started thinking towards how I can promote my business through these, softwares and through these apps and all. How can I, like, I have to download Insta also now. In fact, I was thinking
these
about
are
it.
the tools to do the business today.
Yeah. So people,
I'm keenly waiting for a webinar happening probably next week. How Amazon sellers can sell on TikTok.
yeah, I really want to try. I've told you, I will
Many
definitely
must do
try
it.
that.
Puneet,
I won't be surprised.
you're saying something?
I'm saying many must be doing. I'm not surprised about it. I mean,
That's the strategy I want to learn. They are doing it.
yeah,
In India also they're doing. A lot of designers, a lot
yeah,
of food guys, they are doing it. In fact, if you go to Airbnb now, people would be thinking Airbnb will be bankrupt because there's no homestay going to stay. So if they came back after 2 weeks, and this is exactly the apt example of, are you ready to sell? So when they admitted it themselves that, guys, our business for a whole year is zero now. In fact, they had billions of dollars to repay and refund to the customers who had booked the ticket. You know what
okay.
they're doing now? When you go to Airbnb now, they only have shows. So if I'm a chef, I would be at my home giving you a training on how to create a cake, anything which is exclusive, and you pay $100 or maybe 20. I think starting from $20, which is a rupee 1,500 something to us. I was pretty amazed. I said, because I received the email from Airbnb, and he also took the market feeling that everybody wants to watch. Everybody wants to. Every whole world is under lockdown. So the only
Sure.
thing you have is content
Correct.
to watch. So wait, how do I create content? I can't be looking at homes every time, and especially when I can't invest in buying homes, and I'm not the website to sell homes. So he immediately changed the strategy. He's selling the various courses, meditation, jogging, exercising, any skill or any content which can add value in your half an hour or 1 hour of period. So this is how you change your, this is called breaking your barrier and
Sure.
creating a strategy to sell.
Absolutely. I agree.
Now everybody has to be innovative enough to come out with ideas to, keep on selling. Now, like I was saying, in India, Starbucks with Tata, and they've come out
Exactly.
with a proposal that they're going to be doing door-to-door delivery, plus they're going to do drive-throughs. One first drive-through will open, and then they're going to do this. So that, who would have thought that Starbucks
Yeah.
is going to come to your house?
Sorry to interrupt you, Madhu. I'm pretty excited with the idea. If I am into food business and I want to make real money, I'll give you customized cake or customized dosa, which you can watch live being made and delivered to your home.
Good.
Interesting.
I've always been very, very interested in, food business somehow.
See,
I could get very, very curious.
I will charge
when
premium
anyone
because
talk on the food.
I'm making you see how your dosa is being made because of hygiene. Because you will be having so many questions in your mind that it's a fact in India. We don't know where the food is prepared. See, if I can give you a service where you can actually see, watch live your dosa being prepared and a stamp being put, and a barcode is stapled on that, and you are coming back and you have a barcode on your phone and you scan it. Oh yes, this is the same dosa which was prepared live on the TV. Man, I can pay 20% extra for my dosa.
Interesting. Brilliant.
See,
You see, brainstorming is always good.
always good.
You get ideas. You know how things are going on. You hear, you listen, knowledge. I mean, learning is still the end.
There's no end.
Learning, keep learning.
And as a smart entrepreneur, how do you convert your learning into selling?
Absolutely, absolutely. I agree. I agree. Right. I think it was wonderful meeting you all here.
Yeah, we have 8 more minutes. If you want to chit chat something, we are now off track on the sales side.
I would be interested to look at whatever stocks whenever you happen to gather them. I would be interested to look at it.
So Bhavna, one thing also came out from Puneet's volunteerism. We need to ask all our members that who has the bandwidth to buy right now. Maybe they them who has the bandwidth, who has the power of buying.
Okay, bye.
maybe because of their buyers, or maybe because Puneet also does trading purchases for his customers. So when he's saying I can buy 1 million right now, there would be more buying agents who can say, yes, I have buyers who are selling stock.
Hmm.
So in one way of reaching out to the embassies, reaching out to the retailers, there is one segment within ourselves who's sitting with
Yeah.
money in pocket.
Hmm.
I think that was a wonderful conversation happened. We have 5 or 6 avenues where you can sell the stock and the accumulated collated data of the things to come in. And I would say this has also opened new opportunity. You're offering to sell. How do I believe what is there for me? You're saying, okay, I have fantastic dresses made for Messi, but I don't want to buy it directly. I will pay you because the transaction has to happen. So
Yeah.
there is something a federation member can help, that you can assign a buying agent as an QC guy who can come back to the factory and give you a quality inspection until yes, the merchandise is perfectly well. Now you can pay.
Okay, this is why we do this, because we inspect here, and whatever
And
the
then send it. Yeah.
customer is getting, they don't have to reopen it and look at their warehouses. They don't waste time on doing that. So we give that
Yeah.
service.
So
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying. So that is an additional avenue for a buying agent like you
Yeah. We
or
have
people
been
who are in India.
conducting. We've been doing quality control inspections for independent of our buying agency since about 13 years, I think. So
Yeah.
we have
So
customers who ask us that I bought these goods. Can you inspect them fully and can you confirm?
yeah,
Because we are very different from the other testing or the inspecting people. So
and
we've
that
done it for a
is
lot of customers.
yeah, and that is where a new idea also coming up. As Puneet said, how do FBA make money? We will
Mm.
tell them that any member who's a registered paid member at FBA is an accredited buying agent you can use to verify the stock. So that if there is something wrong with the buying agent or there is something wrong with the transaction, the buyer can come back to FBA.
Correct.
Correct. Okay, that'd
So,
be good.
and I think it's always good to open and tell people, because later or sooner you will hear this from people. What is FBA making out of it?
Right.
Mm.
And
No,
we
Be a farmer
we
with
already chalked
20.
out a strategy sitting today with you.
sorry.
Mm.
We already chalked out the strategy sitting today with you. 4 guys, 4 minds are in the war room strategies.
Thank you.
In fact,
Anytime. Anytime.
Lokesh, I want to say something.
Yeah.
This is going to open, an opportunity for me to revive my dead accounts. Dead accounts for me. I mean, the buyer is not dead, but it has somehow, for some reason, become dead for me. So if
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can reach out to them with a, good
Yeah.
branded products, at a better price. So this may, open a new avenue, for
Correct.
myself.
Very good, Bhavna. Very good.
Yeah. I would actually correlate to the story that right now we are under a flood. There is so much of water draining in the roads. People are dying. People would be dying. Their houses damaging. People like us who are in lockdown, they are holding on to some poles or trees to just to be surviving. But once the water dies down, once the water has gone down the drain and things start to cool down, there would be opportunities. Puneet, you're muted, I think. I don't know. Yeah. No, you are again muted. There's some audio setting needs to be corrected. We can wait for you. No, we can't hear you.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
No, as you said, the water is flooded and all those things. We have to pump sets. We have
Exactly.
to
So
flush that
yeah,
water out.
exactly. What I'm saying is,
We have to jet
whatever
set.
we can do as a pump set is okay. But everything, I would say, beyond that, if all the water has gone down back to the ocean, there are certain things. I would say a lot of chaos will be there on the road. You are not able to walk because if you walk, you will be slipping on the road.
Sure.
We at the federation are creating those stepping stones where you walk out of your home, you put your steps on the on, on the I would say step stones and walk till your destination, which is your ultimate market or your ultimate goal.
Correct.
That is how I see federation working for the community of exporters or agents or even the buyers.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, you got it has to add that extra oomph to the business. Then it gets more opportunities and it gets more means people are more appreciative of the association.
Yeah.
And whatever location you're doing, I think it's commendable. But this is the time when people have time, and they're talking to you. But once this lockdown finishes, everybody will go back to their work. 95% of the people will forget what they said, and they will not even, they will be busy doing what they're doing.
Mhm.
So the stock thing that you are planning is the key.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the recurring. That's a recurring
key.
business.
So try to do that before this lockdown. Get your data. You will still
Exactly.
get the information. Once the
Yeah.
lockdown is finished, you will not get anything out of it. I'm telling you.
Absolutely, Puneet. Absolutely.
People
You
have
said it
time.
right.
Unless
They're
yeah,
coming
unless you have
on,
a structure prepared before that happens, which can be used recurringly.
and then you have the time to go to the market and just boom. They go
Correct.
to their office and you have it on their desk.
Well, if you have investors, let's build a website.
I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm doing it. I'm
well,
working on it.
well,
8
you
months
can.
now.
It's an open forum. You can appeal for investors to come on board with you.
I don't want investor.
Okay.
I don't.
Yeah.
Because the reason you have too many heads, too many thoughts.
Of course.
You don't go
Too
along.
many cooks. Too many cooks.
Too many cooks.
Better do it slowly.
Yeah.
Your
Even I was
voice,
planning
your voice
one
is again gone,
e-commerce site.
Puneet.
I was also planning a e-commerce site. I almost means I lost a lot of money on getting it made, but then I just withdrew because I felt it was I needed something more extra to go into it before I would do it. Then like Puneet said, once you get into the normal, you then again start forgetting what you were planning and you go to the rut of the everyday life.
Yeah, because then you start getting your emails. Buyer needs you. 100 problems every day.
Factory's
You don't
got a
have time.
problem, delivery
Yeah.
issue,
Yeah.
that issue.
Yeah.
You're stuck. So my e-commerce, because
Yeah.
I do have my own brand, which I did was sold in India quite well, but
So,
I got limited. So that's
guys,
what happened.
last 1 minute to recap, and then we can call off the meeting.
Yes, please.
Anything which you need to tell us? Although we had a very in-depth analysis and a lot of things came out of the meeting, I'm sure you all agree that yes, it was a very productive meeting today. According to me, it was very productive.
Absolutely.
I don't know.
Of
Yeah,
course.
good,
Of
good.
course.
Yeah.
It is.
So I'm looking forward to meet you at 8 p.m. as this is actually the essence of these meetings. That at least when you spend 1 hour talking about something, this is a war room strategy. I would say this is a war room discussion which happens, and we are focusing on the one situation instead of throwing our uh, uh, thought process into various things, and that is how solutions are coming back. I'm very thankful to Puneet, Madhu, and Bhavna coming today. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Do
Okay,
share
bye-bye.
do share your feedback with the community of exporters, buyers, buying agents to please come on board at this platform. I think that's going to create a lot of value. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Take care.
Take care. Bye. See you at 8 p.m.